Hi, I'm Melissa from the blog Crunches for Cupcakes. I just wanted to share a few tips for using Nisoya's wraps. When you're constructing with your wraps, it really helps to dampen the edges with water. It helps them to stick together and form whatever shape you're forming, be it a wonton, a ravioli, an egg roll, or your choice. I find it really convenient that you can freeze the wraps for up to 2 months, so if you don't want to cook with all of them, you can just throw the leftovers in the freezer, pull them out and thaw them at room temperature. I actually have my wonton wraps frozen right now, but you can see they're still pretty good to go. And I just wanted to show you an example of my dinner the other night using the wraps. I made a ravioli. I stuffed it with ground turkey that I had browned beforehand, and then I baked it for about 20 minutes. You can also boil these wraps, so it's really up to you. The website has a lot of great recipes, and I suggest you check it out.